At first, Thailand feels like a dream. Golden beaches, street food everywhere, friendly people smiling at you. But behind this paradise, there are strict laws, and many tourists learn about them the hard way. In 2026, Thailand has become even more serious about enforcing its rules, and breaking them, even by mistake, can get you fined, jailed, or deported. Let's go through the laws every tourist must know before visiting Thailand. First, never disrespect the royal family. In Thailand, insulting the monarchy is not just offensive, it's illegal. Even a simple joke, comment, or social media post can lead to serious prison time. This law is called lèse-majesté, and yes, tourists have been arrested for it. Second, be careful with e-cigarettes and vapes. In many countries, they're normal, but in Thailand, they are banned. If you're caught with a vape, you could face heavy fines or even jail. Some tourists didn't know this and ended up paying a big price. Third, never throw trash on the street. Thailand takes cleanliness seriously. Littering, especially in public places, can lead to instant fines, even something small like dropping a cigarette butt. Fourth, respect religious places. Thailand is deeply cultural and spiritual. If you visit temples, dress properly. No shorts, no sleeveless shirts, and always remove your shoes before entering. Disrespect here can lead to confrontation or fines. Fifth, don't fly drones without permission. Many tourists love capturing Thailand from the sky, but flying a drone without registration is illegal. You must register your drone before using it, otherwise you could face legal action. Sixth, be careful with drugs. Thailand has relaxed some cannabis laws, but don't get confused. Other drugs are strictly illegal. Possession, even in small amounts, can lead to long prison sentences. No exceptions. Seventh, don't drive without a proper license. Renting bikes is common, but if you don't have an international driving permit, you can be fined immediately. And if an accident happens, things can get very serious. Thailand is beautiful, welcoming, unforgettable, only if you respect its rules, because one mistake can turn your dream trip into a nightmare. So travel smart, stay informed, and enjoy Thailand the right way.